Hi, it's Namoo Nara, and I'm here to show you guys the Donner Vowel pedal. It's a volume and wah pedal in one. And how it works is when you plug it in, it's green, and that means it's in volume mode. So when it's full, that means that it's nominal level, and then when you do that, it turns the signal all the way down. So it's at 0 and then full. So this is bypass essentially, and then when you click it on, the LED turns red, and then now it's a wah pedal. And I got this because I have a song on my EP called Playground, and I want to perform it live. And it's the only song that has a wah guitar part. And the pedal that I used to record that song is huge. So this is a Morley Power Wah Boost pedal. It's from the 70s. It's a opto wah pedal. So it uses an LED and a light sensor. So you can just see and compare the size. So yeah, it's a huge difference. This wah pedal is really old and clunky, so it's not very reliable anymore to be used on stage, and I also don't want to break it. So I chose this pedal for a few reasons. One is its compact size. It's really light. Another one is the cool feature of it being a dual pedal, volume and wah. And another one is that it's really affordable. So in this review, we're going to be going through a series of different demos. The first thing we're going to do is play with the Donner pedal, and it's going to go from the red, which is wah mode, to green, which is volume/bypass mode, just to show you guys any difference in volume it may have in between the two modes. The second demo we're going to do is actually the same thing but with a Morley pedal, just to show you guys a little different perspective. Just as a disclaimer, the Morley pedal does color the tone quite a bit. It tends to make it a little bit brighter. And then we're going to talk about filters. So a wah pedal is basically a band pass filter that you're controlling with your foot. So we're going to talk about the Donner's slope and also the Morley slope, and kind of describe the difference in sound. Then I'll be showcasing the green mode, which is the volume pedal mode, and do some swells to give you guys an idea of what that sounds like. And then we're just going to focus on the wah section and play it without any backing tracks or anything like that, so you guys can hear it pretty detailed. And then I'm going to be plugging into a loop pedal, and it'll just loop a phrase, then run it through the Donner, and then take out the Donner pedal entirely, plug the loop right into my interface so we can compare it and make sure there's no tone sucking or coloring going on with the Donner pedal. So we'll do that. Then I'm going to demonstrate one of the main issues that I have with the pedal in depth with a waveform, and so you guys can see exactly what I think. After that will be a closing rant. All right, so it's a pretty extensive video, pretty detailed. Hope you guys can make it through or just skip around, whatever. All right, let's have some fun. As long as you're happy, that is all that really matters. So one of the main differences between the Morley wah pedal and the Donner is the width of the sweeping band frequency. So just to demonstrate that, it's something to care about when you're thinking of buying or trying out a wah pedal, is to know how wide the band is. Certain pedals like the Crybaby Q, you can actually adjust it. There's a knob, so that's really cool. Yeah, so this is a wider range, the 2-pole right here. So I'll just show you guys with the backing track what that might sound like. Then I'm gonna boost. To me, the Morley wah pedal is more like the 2-pole here, and I would say the Donner is more like the 6, maybe. It has a narrower range on the Donner. Alright, so just to sum up my feelings about this wah pedal, the thing that stands out to me the most and perhaps concerns me is that volume jump, or maybe you could call it a resonant peak. The issue is when you're plugging into a preamp like myself, it clips it. So that's not good. And maybe if you're in a signal chain with other pedals, I don't know, maybe the next pedal after the wah can't handle that amount of input properly. If you're plugging into amp after the wah, maybe it can overdrive the signal and it'll sound cool. That's for you to try for yourself. Maybe I'm just ignorant. Maybe other wah pedals do a similar thing because they have a high Q, high slope. So I know that this one is based on the Crybaby. So maybe you guys with more experiences with wah pedals can let me know if that's the case or if this is a special case, like an anomaly. Maybe the cool thing about the volume jump when you kick on the wah pedal is that you can kind of solo right away. You don't have to kick into another boost pedal, especially when you're in a band setting. So, you know, for those that are buying this pedal for the purpose of just kicking on the wah and you can do a screaming solo, that might be actually a really cool positive for you. As far as me keeping this pedal, I'm not too sure yet. I know I can't use it for the song that I wanted to, for live purposes, but I did realize that I can use a whammy bar and get a cool effect that way. So I actually don't even need to find the wah pedal anymore. I might keep it maybe for the volume pedal purpose. I really like that. Although when it's completely silent to when it's just a little quiet, it's not as smooth as what I would like, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. So I might keep it for that. Maybe I will do a wah guitar solo. I'll keep it for a little while and see if it is needed. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my review of this pedal. If you like what you saw, thumb up, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
All that really matters to me. Hey,